We're going to explain to you what we've done here for our C1 front bumpers. Difference between 58 to 60, that's 58 to 60, the stud location. 61, 62, to where your grill bar sits. 58 to 60, the grill bar sits out a little bit more so the grill teeth fit in there and look pretty. 61, 62, grill bar sits back a little bit. We've designed our front bumper that you've seen already on the car, tucked in tight. We designed it for the grill teeth of the 58 to 60 car. And so if you think about this for a minute, when you put your grill bar up here for a 58 to 62, it's a little bit deeper, okay, from the back of the bolt pattern up here. So if you take the 58 to 60 and you make a shim in there, move that bar back, that bar will still fit there if you want to run a 61, 62 grill bar. But in the case of what we designed on this 62 car we're building, he wanted grill teeth. So we had to go with that style bumper. That's why we tooled it that way, because I've noticed over the years a lot of people like to put teeth in their toothless car to make it look a little prettier. So, with that being said, difference in the bumpers, how we designed our bumper, and if you look over here on the back of our bumper, it's not sticking out like most of them do. It's right at the top of the fender. Andrew's going to show you that in a picture, the difference of an original bumper. And we're in tight, we're 3/16 on the top. If you look at our bumper right here, give you an example. Height-wise, you can see our bumper is a little bit higher, as to give you that tucked in tight look. Instead of this narrow bumper with the big gap, now you have a uniform fit of that bumper. He's going to show you that bumper again installed on the car. And so if you take that approximately 3/8 of an inch, it gives you about 3/16 of an inch on top and bottom. So you got a nice uniform look. Got a little bit more character to it. Same way on the rear bumper. And the nice thing of it is, with these bumpers tucked in tight, the way you fasten them on the car, you're going to have to redo your bracket going up to the front a little bit, but most of the people are doing these with Restomods, and so you're hand building bumper brackets anyway. And I think this bumper would absorb more impact than that steel bumper not being opened on the back. So hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.